Here is an example of how to use the CTP10 for a high-resolution measurement, with this scenario, a ring resonator as the DUT on an optical integrated circuit. Connect the BNC cable between the trigger out of the laser and trigger in of the CTP10. In the same way, the subsystem setup needs to indicate this BNC connection. Finally, in the sampling, select the relevant high resolution. Once the high resolution is selected, it will have an impact on speed, range of the scan, and the average of time. You also need to perform referencing as per this resolution. In this example with ring resonator, you can zoom in onto a particular peak and see the very high quality and higher sampling resolution of the system. The repeatability and accuracy of the wavelengths of the system is very high. As shown here, for a gas cell line of acetylene is supposed to be at 1530.371. This measurement was taken with 20 femtometer sampling resolution.